Hello friends. This is Android developer from Game App Studio, and today we are going to put a spotlight on how to use bottom sheet in Android Studio. Firstly, you need to create new Android Studio project in Kotlin and then add material dependency in Android build.gradle file. Now create new layout used for bottom sheet design. Here I create new drawable file used for white background with round top corners. Here I create UI for bottom sheet. I add 3 option: 1 for save, 2nd for edit and 3rd for delete. Here I choose some drawable file from vector asset used in bottom sheet. I choose 1 icon for save, 2nd icon for edit, 3rd icon for delete and 4th icon for cancel. Here I add layout behavior to main layout, and also set peak height to 0 sp. If you set some dimension to peak height, that means the peak height part never hide when bottom sheet closed. Now go to main activity layout file, and include bottom sheet layout, set main layout as a coordinate layout. In this layout I add a button which is used to expand and collapse bottom sheet. Now go to main activity file, and here I create a variable for bottom sheet behavior. Now get the bottom sheet behavior from bottom sheet. Now add click listeners to buttons. In button click listener, I check the state of bottom sheet is either in collapse mode or expand mode, and set bottom sheet according to state. Here I also add click listener to cancel button for collapse the bottom sheet. Now I run this project into Android device. Thanks for watching us. Stay tuned, and please like and subscribe to this channel and never miss any updates.